There's nothing like it. We regularly get feedback that is, yeah, we've tried a lot of different products. They don't work. It's why we come back to you guys.
I come from the hot mix world, and it was a tough sell.
It's helped us grow where we're doubling in size annually.
It sells really quick.
It sells on its own.
Our customers tend to use Easy Street for permanent one-time repairs to potholes and other road defects.
We use it for utility cuts. Get a lot of good feedback off of that from our electricians.
We use it year-round in Canada, and it's minus 30 degrees Celsius, and they're out there patching potholes with it. Doesn't matter.
We've won a few contracts based on the fact that, yes, I can go out and fix it once, and I can walk away, and I don't have to worry about it again. Well,
what we've found is that once they realise that it is a permanent repair, they just keep coming back for more.
It's saving money for them.
It's been a fantastic partnership.
the sky's the limit.
The support that we received has been invaluable.
Consistent communication, which is great. Quick responses to any questions we have.
We asked so many questions, and the answer was always there.
There's always an answer.
Stag and Lars and Tom and the rest of the guys are always inward looking and looking at how they can be better.
The communication level, the professionalism, the marketing that comes out of Easy Street International has been unbelievable.
Producing videos for us and editing video has been hugely beneficial.
We work hand in hand. It's a great partnership that I see lasting a really long time.
There's a huge demand in the market in the UK and across society in general to be more environmentally conscious.
All cold mix material in Canada must use biofuel. So we use biofuel to produce it.
It's not harmful to your plant. I get that question a lot, and it can bring in a new range of customer for you.
We had the product certified as carbon neutral.
Thrilled to see what is coming next. I think Easy Street is in a different stage. We have to all jump in the wave and see what comes next.
Test it out, compare it to what you're using. There's nothing like it.